entertainers have arrived.
Good evening, good afternoon as well. How are you today?
Fine.
Music and dance of Maori people of New Zealand. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the Haka, the legends.
Yay! Going to do welcoming chants.
We encourage you as our honoured guest or our manuhiri. Thank you all so much for allowing us to be here this afternoon. Music. However, the most unique feature you'll see us do today is one we know as the witty or the slight quivering of the hands. Now we as Maori, we believe that everything that moves has some sort of life force, and we depict this life force through the shaking of the hands. some of our handheld weapons. However, though nowadays the poi has since then been handed to the maidens. We also use the poi to depict flight patterns of native birds here in Aotearoa. And we also... Wow! Our strapping, handsome young warriors is a long stick. We know it as a tira hako, used a little bit like the poi to increase suppleness in the wrist. We also use they also use it to help improve their all-important golf swing.
Golf swing.
Later on this evening. So we'll see how that goes. We have our final training tool, Ngāti Te Korea, our short sticks. Kia ora!
Now, the botu was made from many different materials, carved into many different shapes. The shape you see our warriors holding today is the one we know, feet movements. These depicting the feet movements of our native birds here in Aotearoa to keep our warriors fit and light upon their feet. Out in the hands of an expert warrior, he can kill his opponent almost instantly. That is our first weapon. The Haka was carved in an abstract form of one of our ancestors. Now with this weapon there are many parts. We start off with the upoho, or the head. Now extending from the head you will notice the whaetero, drooping tongue. This is a dominant feature done by our men, used to frighten, to intimidate the enemy. The eyes. There are two sets of eyes on this weapon. Used to protect our warrior from all four winds, like how we're fighting staff that they are. We would like to bring four warriors to perform for you a segment of movements known to us as power. Power as our striking movements, aimed to the foremost vulnerable parts of the body, the head, the neck, the body, and the legs. Our warriors with a short handheld club use the speed, the skill, and the agility of our warriors with the Haka with a strike to the neck.
Service to the family jewels.
It's said that when our people perform this gesture, that they share the same breath of life, which unites the two as one. So that was our beautiful love song, Haka.
put out my eye or somebody else's. It's time for the Haka dance.
Physically and spiritually before heading on to a battlefield. The ever famous Haka.
I'm showing Steve my Maori look.
Do that again.
Anyhow, I was just giving him a little backstory on the Maori people, which are Polynesian by ancestry. They set across, keep thinking of Moana, which is a Pixar Disney movie about a Polynesian girl who sets out with the demigod Maui and learns that her forefathers were seafarers. Well, I've watched Moana quite a few times, and it's only when you come to some place and you find the attention to detail. There really was a Maui, a demigod in Maori history. And, you know, so much else about them being seafarers. What is so unusual about the Maori people is when they set out from whatever Polynesian island, I think it's sort of like Hawatiki or something like that. Nobody knows exactly what it was. They took their little canoes and just sailed by only the stars and wind currents thousands of miles until they came to New Zealand. Then they turned around, went back to their home, and brought more people over, and they repeated that many, many times and settled New Zealand. It was very interesting, a great show. And now we're also to do the Haka!